Burn. Clearing a 1/4 acre plot? Here's a cost-effective method using herbicide and fire. Day 1. Herbicide application. Start by removing large debris. Apply a non-selective herbicide like glyphosate. This step kills the vegetation, prepping it for burning. Herbicide is an affordable option that saves time and labor. Day 2 to 3. Let the herbicide work. Give the herbicide 1 to 2 days to take effect. This reduces the amount of manual labor needed later. Day 4. Controlled burn. Get the necessary permits and check the weather conditions. Create a fire break around the area to control the burn. Burn the dry vegetation to clear the plot. Fire is a low-cost method that naturally enriches the soil with ash, reducing the need for fertilizers. Day 5. Post-burn cleanup. Remove any charred debris. The burn makes tilling easier, cutting down on labor costs. Day 6. Soil preparation. Till and level the soil. The ash from the burn adds nutrients, reducing the need for expensive soil amendments. Day 7. Planting turnips. Plant your turnip seeds and lightly water the area. This step completes the process quickly and cost-effectively. Why is this method cost-effective? Minimal equipment. You only need basic tools and materials like herbicide and firefighting tools. Labor efficiency. Herbicide and fire reduce the amount of manual labor required. Natural soil enhancement. The ash from burning adds nutrients, cutting down on the need for fertilizers. Using herbicide and fire is a smart, budget-friendly way to clear land and prep it for planting.